Guys, it's me again, your upline, your chief, Padman Sinatiraja. And I just realized that the first video I made and put on YouTube, it went viral. All of you guys are trying to watch it to understand Q Infinite a bit more. So what I agreed to do is I'll make a video, all right, every week to be able to put it on YouTube so you learn Q Infinite, all right, our QNet new comp plan step by step, okay? On the first video, I tried to cover as much as possible. And now, I want to explain about RSP or the repeat purchase angle. Now, this is what you have to understand. Firstly, remember, we are still QNet. All right, the comp plan is called Q Infinite. We haven't changed the name of the company. Now, this is you. Okay, and you have a left, you have a right. And your coming into QNet hasn't changed. You buy a qualifying product. Okay, now what has changed is previously our qualifying product was a 1 UV, 2 UV, 3 UV, 7, 5, 21 UV for QVI. That aspect hasn't changed much. But what we have done now, if you have realized looking at the e-store today, we have made small adjustments to the BV. That means simply some products will simply carry 1020 BV, all right, or 3070 BV, whatever the number will be. And a lot of people asking me, why do we complicate this by adding these small decimals of 20 or 70? And you'll understand that when you understand the power of the repeat purchase angle. Now, firstly, you come in, all right, I'm going a bit more into detail, so bear with me, okay? When you come in, you automatically have a 3-header, all right? A 3-header which is automatically given to you, but they are not qualified, they are not on, as you can say. To qualify a tracking center, the minimum requirement is 500 BV, all right? You can see that. So with 500 BV, you can qualify one tracking center. Simple. All right. Now, a lot of groups have come to me and said, Chief, what do we do? All right. So if you purchase a product for 1020 BV, all right, you basically qualify this tracking center with 500 BV. All right. And the second tracking center will be like maybe 520 BV. Simple as that. All right. Somebody asked me, should I put the 520 BV here and put 500 here? No, because this 20 BV now becomes volume to your 001, all right, 002, and this is 003, but it's not qualified yet. Okay, so people ask me, what do I do with the extra 20 BV? Simple, it becomes your balance on the left. The only difference is now your balance on the left of your 001 is 520, and here is 0 at the moment. All right, now this is a paradigm you must get used to. And I'll explain to you why this 20 makes a big difference when I go to the next area of repeat purchase. So understand this. Now I'm going to teach you secret tip number 1. Okay? Secret number 1. Now think of the plan. All right? For 1 minute. To move from bronze, okay, to silver. All right? Then you got gold. You got platinum. You know this. If you don't know this by now, jump off a bridge, okay? And you got diamond. Where do you all want to be? Diamond, all right? The highest level of recognition you can get in QNet. But now you're bronze, silver, gold, platinum, diamond, okay? Very simple. Everyone who signs up, brand new IRs, okay, immediately start off at bronze. And their immediate goal is to move from bronze to silver. Now, to move from bronze to silver, you got 2 options, and this is where I want you to focus, okay? We added a second option to make it more exciting for you. First option is you sign up, qualify your tracking center, minimum 500 BV, but most of you will do 1000 over BV. You have a left and a right. You must refer, all right, 1 qualified person on the left, 1 qualified person on the right, direct referrals. I put as DR and DR, direct referrals, and you must get a third direct referral, okay, another DR. So once you get 1, 2, 3 direct referrals, you automatically move from bronze to silver. Qualified direct referrals, okay. That is option 1 of moving from bronze to silver, because you want to move from bronze to silver. Because bronze pays you 200. You want to move to 225. Then you want to move to 250. Then you want to go to 275, and ultimately $300 per step. Right? This is unbelievable increase of income, and it also increases your max out, which I'll talk to you later. Okay, so this is progressive increasing of money, progressive getting you closer to financial freedom. All right, now remember, from bronze to silver, this is option 1. Now I created option 2. Option 2 is very, very attractive. First step, you must qualify yourself, all right, with a minimum of 1,500 BV. All right, unbelievable. So let's say the product we retail, all right, and we give a BV. The product will not carry 1,500 BV immediately. It may carry 1,570 BV, for example. So what you do is, remember, you're given a 3 header, unqualified. So now you put 500 on 001, you put 500 on 002, and you put the balance of 570 on 003. Alright, what's the total? 570, 1570. Simple logic. Alright, or you can also put all 1570 BV in your 001. Alright, that's up to you. You can put all your 1570 BV into 001. Alright, because that's up to your strategy in your organization. Now, once you have qualified with a minimum like this, alright, this is you, one person. Alright, now you have a left and right. Now, all you have to do is duplicate this. One direct referral who also qualifies a minimum of 1,500 BV, and another person also qualifies a minimum of 1,500 BV. Minimum. It can go up to 10,000 BV, 20,000 BV, doesn't matter, okay? So now think about this. If you qualify yourself with a minimum of 1,500 BV and you get 2 direct referrals, alright, who also qualify with a minimum of 1,500 BV, you automatically jump from bronze to silver. Option 1, get 3 direct referrals, alright, with a minimum of 500 BV. Option 2, alright, is get 2 direct referrals with a minimum of 1,500 BV. Now, this is a major paradigm I want to break, okay? A lot of networks around the world in the V family focuses on 1 UV last time, or now 1,000 BV. I want you to break that paradigm, alright? Because I, as a networker, always believe, if I can get you to sign up 560, 580, 600 US dollars for 1,000 over BV, alright, it takes very little effort for me now to get you to sign up with 900 US dollars or 1,000 US dollars. Because remember, most networks around the world are so sensitive about pricing, alright, but you're not buying a product, you're buying an opportunity. So when I tell somebody 900 US dollars, you join my organization because I promote 1,500 BV products, or you join my business for, let's say, 1,800 US dollars because I only promote 3,000 BV and above, or you join my organization with 21,000 BV because I promote QVI reward point system, all right, for 10,000, 15,000 US dollars, all right. Think about it. What are you paying for? Are you only paying for the product? No, you're paying for a global opportunity. A global opportunity with no boundaries, allowing you to earn in US dollars wherever you are in the world, allowing you to max out up to 20,100 US dollars per tracking center. Alright, income which 98% of businesses around the world will never achieve net profit in 1 month, ever. Alright, don't worry about Apple and Microsoft, you know, those are different kind of companies. Alright, it's a business opportunity. So I don't understand why you are so worried about price sensitivity. Everyone is calling me saying, too expensive. Too expensive for what? Too expensive for what? If I ask you to buy this shirt for $1,000, alright, too expensive. If I ask you to buy a Rolex watch for 10,000 US dollars, it's not too expensive. Alright? So what are you actually paying? You're paying 900 US dollars, 600 US dollars, 2,000 US dollars, 5,000 US dollars for a fantastic global opportunity in the industry of network marketing, which is the only chance you have to become financially free. Or not, you're going to die broke. working for 40 years like a moron. Right? That's why I don't understand why people worry so much about how much money. I'll be willing to pay 10,000 US dollars, 20,000 US dollars. I will beg, borrow from anyone, sell anything I own, because I want a chance to become a businessman, to become an entrepreneur, to change my life, to improve the quality of life for my family. And that's a decision I have to make. So don't worry about pricing. Everyone is panicking about pricing. It's here. It's in your brain, not in your prospect's brain. You understand? Your prospect doesn't care. He sees the business, he loves Dato Vijay's vision, he loves QNet, he will sign up, no matter what the price is, if you show the plan about opportunity. Alright? Now, think about option number 2, okay? I know that 1500 BV is a paradigm shift. I'm going to write here, okay? Paradigm shift. What does it mean? Change the way you think. For the longest time, most of you are stuck at 1000 BV or 1 UV. Now I want you to change to 1500 BV or 1.5 UV. Why? Let me explain. Now you sign up with a minimum of 1500 BV. That means qualified, qualified, qualified. Your volume left and right will be now about 500 here and maybe 570 here, for example. Alright? Now you sign up one more person who also does the same thing. Alright? Total volume, let's say 1530 BV, because we change it. Alright? Here, another person, let's say, brings in 1550 BV. Okay? All this is BV, alright? You understand this, right? So I have to write it down for you, because, you know, alright? Now, based on 2 sign-ups you got, what is your total BV? Alright, just 2 sign-ups for 001. Already you have achieved 2030 BV. Here you already achieved 2050 BV. This is your balance. Alright, on your left and right. Now if this person brings in another person, alright, with a 3 header, as we say, also 1520 BV. Okay, and here somebody brings in another person also coming in with the 1500 minimum concept, 1520 BV. Alright, guys, look at your numbers. Alright, so here you will have a total of 550 BV. And here you will have a total of same 3570 BV. And you get paid for one step. Alright? How much do you get paid? Not 200. You get paid 225 automatically on your first step. Because why? You have moved from bronze to silver because the requirement is refer 2 directs with a minimum of 1500 BV. Think of the logic. Now if I show this plan to an outsider, how many people did you sign up to qualify for one step? You signed up, 2 on the left, 2 on the right. This is people. Alright, this is people. 2 people on the left, 2 people on the right. How much did you make? 225. Alright, I hope you see the logic of this, because each of these people brought in or came in with a minimum of 1500 BV. So what I want you to change is this paradigm shift of 1000 BV. Alright, because it's the cheapest product. I want to reach financial freedom as fast as I can. I want to be financially free in 3 years. I want to be financially free in 2 years. I want to make my first $1 million in my first year. If I were you, then I have to push. Now remember the paradigm shift. You are stuck with 1000 BV in your brain, not in your prospect's mind. If I show this plan to my prospect, alright, he will be thinking, okay, normally I have to get 3 people and 3 people to earn 225. Alright, now I get 2 people and 2 people and I already earn 225. Which is better? This. This is unbelievable. This is what I want to change in Q Infinite. I want to change this stuck mindset of all of you that you want to go for the cheapest, lowest entry product. Why? Why not 1500 BV minimum entry for your organization, which a lot of groups around the world are promoting this right now. So I want you to consider this. All right? This is the new concept to move from bronze to silver. Because you want to move from bronze to silver before you even finish your first step. I don't want you to wait. If you are a serious networker, from bronze to silver, all right, first step, the move must already happen. How do you do it? 3 directs, qualified, you move bronze to silver, easy, right? You want something more exciting, you want something which is going to pay you more money, make sure your whole organization qualifies a minimum of 1500 BV. Then you get 2 directs, all right, including yourself, qualified 1500 BV, boom, you move from bronze to silver, all right? Good news. Second good news, it changes the whole concept for your group. It changes the concept that now you're technically talking about 2 people on the left, 2 people on the right, boom, you make money. Now if you are the kind of person who promotes 3000 BV, alright, what does it actually mean? You come in, minimum of 1005, so you refer 2 people with 3000 BV, alright, also you move from bronze to silver, automatically. Alright, and this is even more exciting because 1 person on the left 3000 BV, 1 person on the right 3000 BV, you get paid 225. Alright, that means to me when I look at people, it's 1 on the left, 1 on the right. So your organization, QNet has changed. A major paradigm shift to Q Infinite. We are focusing on rank movement, we are focusing on new max outs. Alright, why are you not changing? Look at your organization. Change the paradigm. Change how people think. If you are building Europe, what's the problem? Everyone there has a lot of money. Even if you're building Indonesia or India, trust me, this is business. If somebody sees the bigger picture, if somebody sees their dream, if somebody sees the opportunity, all right, it doesn't matter whether it's $600 or $6,000. They are going to sign up because they want financial freedom. The only thing holding you back from crossing these limitations is actually yourself. You are stopping yourself. Your prospect is an empty cup. Alright? Don't put things into their cup which is not good for business. Alright? Let them break their paradigms. Let them break their mindsets. Alright? And this is one thing I'm excited about Q Infinite because of the flexibility of moving rank. Alright? And the flexibility of entry point from 500 BV minimum to an unlimited maximum BV of signing up. But this 1500 BV minimum sign up, alright, BV is very exciting because technically I'm saying find 2 people on your left, find 2 people on your right, you earn 225. Alright, you are not changing the comp plan, but you're changing how you market the comp plan to your prospects, to your organization. So Q Infinite is about change. So you equally have to change the way you think, the way your organization runs, paradigm shifts so that you benefit the most from Q Infinite. Alright? So guys, this is the most exciting comp plan in the industry. Don't sit down there stuck in 1998. Don't sit down there with your brain stuck in 2010. Catch up with the rest of the world. Change or die, as my mentor Dato' Vijay always told me. So it's time to change. The V.